Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify and claim your Shopify store on Google Merchant Center in less than 5 minutes. This is a required step before you can run Google Shopping or Performance Max campaigns. I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have this done and checked off. Let's get into it. Alright, in your Google Merchant Center account, go to the Overview section. You'll see a checklist for everything you still need to do to get your Merchant Center account set up and ready. Let's click on Complete Setup. On some accounts, this might say Confirm the online store of your business. First, make sure that your online store URL is correct here. Then, select the first option, Use your e-commerce platform, and choose how you want to verify. I'm using Shopify, so I'll select that. Once you do, you'll see a set of instructions appear below. Now, we need to copy this code here in green. The easiest way is to just click this copy icon. Your browser should give you a notification that it's been copied. Alright, now let's go to your Shopify dashboard. In Shopify, click Online Store, then Themes. On your live theme, click the 3 dots for theme actions, then select Edit Code. This will open a new tab with access to your theme's template files. Now, we do want to be careful when making edits here, but don't be intimidated by the code if this is all new to you. I'll walk you through it. On the left side, go to the Layout folder and click on theme.liquid. We're looking for one specific piece of text called a head tag. It's right here. If you want to find it faster, just search the code with Ctrl+F or Command F if you're on Mac. Now, make a new line right before this tag and paste the code you copied earlier. Click Save. That's it. You've just added the verification code to your website. Now, give it about a minute to process, then go back to Merchant Center and click Verify your online store. And with that, you've verified that you own your store URL and claimed it for your account. Alright guys, that's it. You've verified and claimed your store. Now, if you go back to the Overview section in your Google Merchant Center account, you'll see that checklist that we started with. The next step is setting up your return and shipping settings in Google Merchant Center. I have a full tutorial on exactly how to do this. I'll leave a link in the description down below. By the way, this video here is actually part of our free Google Shopping series. It shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 50K per month. Links below in the description for that whole series too. Go and check it out. And guys, if you'd rather have an expert team take care of setting up, optimizing, and scaling your Google Ads account for your e-commerce store, my team and I, we can help. We do this every day for dozens of other e-commerce stores. It's all we do, day in, day out. So you can find a link down below in the description to book a time with my team and I. We're going to take a look at your store and show you exactly how we would scale it for your specific situation. Go and find that link. We can't wait to speak with you. And guys, thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.